Morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, January 21st. We continue to be very cold this morning. We'll moderate slightly throughout the week. Be mostly dry. We'd have a weak system tonight and tomorrow morning for Island Park area. Very little precip. I'll show you that for our snow amounts. And we do have a weak system Friday and Saturday, and I'll show you those snow amounts as well. Again, not looking for a lot of snow. As I mentioned, we do have the cold temperatures. That we do have a extreme cold warning out through this morning, 10 a.m. Mainly our northeast areas and our Upper Snake River Plain and our eastern highlands. And we do have, like I mentioned, that weak wave going through tonight, and then the other system as we go Friday into Saturday. And temperatures will moderate slightly this week, but I'll show you all those temperatures here. We are in a northerly flow. We had an Arctic cold front go through Sunday into Monday, and we have residual cold air. We do have some clouds aloft. You're not seeing very well here, but it is kind of warming up, although we are very cold. We're just warmer temperatures than yesterday, but still very cold across the area, with multiple areas with slightly breeze below -20 for that warning. Again, the cold chill warning for a Snake Plain in the eastern highlands, cold everywhere else. Again, we moderate. We'll still be cold on that light snow across the Island Park, Montana Divide. And then we have light snow mainly for all mountain areas, very, very light on Friday, and then mainly just for our southern areas, a little bit into the Snake Plain on the east benches as we go into Saturday. Here's our extreme cold warning through this morning, 10 a.m. Not looking to repeat that tomorrow. I'll show you all those temperatures. Here's all for this morning. Here's the forecast, and then with the winds involved, you can see many areas below -20, and the actual were slightly even cooler than what this is showing, but not much. It's pretty good on the forecast. Here's our high temps for today. Better than yesterday, particularly across our southwest areas, but still very cold and not reaching freezing, with the exception of just, again, our extreme southwest areas. Here's those snow mounts for tonight and tomorrow. Just a little bit on the Montana Divide and as well as along the Wyoming border. Very light snow. Here's the low temperatures for Wednesday, just the regular low temperatures, and then here's with your wind chill. Again, we're not looking for anywhere areas sort of below -20, so not likely to continue the extreme cold warning that we have for Wednesday. So we'll give one more model run, but it doesn't look that likely at this point. And there's our high temperature for Wednesday. Still quite cold. You can see remains cold behind that weak wave. And then our low temperatures here on Thursday. Still a lot of negatives across the area, not as much as we've seen. And then our temperatures for the daytime highs are slightly higher, but they're still quite cold. And then here's Friday, so low temperatures and high temperatures. Any precip we have could be rain, snow there, and in Burley area, but most of the precip's going to be in the mountains. So, and then here's our snow mounts for Friday, very, very light. And then this could move up a little bit, but again, this is Friday morning through Saturday morning. It looks like I'll show you the Saturday amounts here in just a second. Here's your temperatures as we go into Saturday. Again, most precip, well, all the precip's going to be snow, it looks like, on Saturday. And then here's your snow amounts. A little bit higher for those southern areas, but it's still not that high. And again, mostly in our southern areas. So just to wrap up, we're going to continue to be very cold with just gradual warming all week. We do have that extreme cold warning out for one more morning this morning. Not looking for to repeat tomorrow morning or Wednesday morning. And then we do have that weak wave tonight into Wednesday morning. Very light snow across the Montana Divide. And then we're dry much of the week with the exception of that system comes in Friday and Saturday. But again, it looks fairly light overall. The higher amounts will be on Saturday afternoon across our southern areas. So that concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.